Okay, for number 3, we have a relationship between x and t now, and they want me to differentiate with respect to x. Let me write this down. So I'm going to differentiate both sides of this equation with respect to x. This side I differentiate with respect to x, and the other side I differentiate with respect to x. X and t are variables. The right side, when I differentiate that, if t is 1, what am I to just differentiate it? T with respect to x. Whoops, I didn't mean to put that down. Let me go backwards. With respect to x. The left side's more complicated. Let's go through it. The derivative of sine, I have to use the chain rule. It's going to be cosine of 7xt times, I got to go to the inside now. And what do you got there? Well, it's product rule. So I'm going to say, 7, I'm going to differentiate x, which is 1t. That's dx. I'm not going to write that down. Plus, well, let's see, it's going to be 7x dt dx. All right? So I guess the first step done. I got to distribute this across and solve for dt dx. All right. So let's see if we can do that. And what do we get? We get 7t cosine 7xt plus 7x cosine 7xt dt dx. What does that equal? Dt dx. All right, let's keep moving. And let me put this down. 7t cosine 7xt equals, well, dt dx minus 7x cosine 7xt dt dx. I'm going to keep going. 7t cosine 7xt. I'm going to factor out dt dx. What do you get? 1 minus 7x cosine 7xt. Now I'm going to divide both sides with the coefficient of dt dx. What do you get? dt dx will equal 7t cosine 7xt divided by 1 minus 7x cosine 7xt. All right, going to get my red pen out. This is my answer. And see how we did. So dt dx, I see that. I see the 7t cosine 7xt. On the bottom, I see 1 minus 7x cosine 7xt. And we're done. Thank you.